Hello girls, today we will start with the new lesson, okay? So, now this is the subject history and the topic is Neolithic age, okay? So, already we have discussed about Paleolithic civilization, Mesolithic civilization. Now we are going to discuss about Neolithic civilization. So this is a topic for BA first year students of first sem. Okay. So this is a very important topic. So write an essay on characteristic features of Neolithic civilization. So it is a Stone Age. So actually it is a prehistoric period. This prehistoric period is categorized into 5, that is Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic. The Chalcolithic is also otherwise known as Copper Age and Iron Age. So in this categorization, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic are Stone Ages. So from among that, this Neolithic is a new Stone Age. As you have already studied that Paleolithic is a old Stone Age. Paleo means old, lithic means age. Stone. Lithic means stone. So old stone age. Mesolithic means meso means middle. Lithic means stone. Middle stone age. Now we are studying about Neolithic. So Neolithic means new stone age. Neo means new. Lithic means stone. So Neolithic is a new stone age. So it was a transitional period between Mesolithic and Chalcolithic. So after Neolithic civilization, Chalcolithic civilization came into existence, which was also otherwise known as Copper Age. Okay. So Neolithic age is a new stone age. It entered in around 9000 BC. It entered in Indian subcontinent around 7000 BC. First it occurred in Mehergarh near Pakistan. So first it occurred in India at Mehergarh in Pakistan, near Pakistan. So different times it spread to different places. At different times it spread to different places. So it is just like modern age. New technology has come into existence. Okay. So now first we will discuss about tools and weapons. So man has progressed his life far better than Paleolithic and Mesolithic civilizations. Putting a step forward in progression of his life is known as Neolithic age. So the tools and implements used were with polished stones. So all the tools which were made, tools and weapons which were used during this period were made with polished stone. They are very soft and very beautiful to see. So these stones are in a rectangular shape. And they have curved cuttings at the edges. The stones are available in oval shapes also. So the stones are available in rectangular shapes as well as in oval shapes. So they have curved cutting edges. Variety of stones and bones tools were used. Variety of stones and bones were used for making tools. The tools were also made of ceramics. So ceramics was also used for making weapons. Polished stones are used for making various types of weapons. They are very soft. So Neolithic people were earliest farming communities. So in Paleolithic civilization, people do not know about agriculture. In Mesolithic civilization, they had the idea of agriculture, but they do not know how to cultivate the land if the land loses its fertility. But in Neolithic civilization, they had the idea of agriculture. They started cultivating the crops, and if the land loses its fertility, also they know how to fertile the land. They are also having the idea of fertiling the land if the land loses its fertility. So they cultivated crops such as ragi, grams and other variety of crops. So these Neolithic people were earliest farming communities, because in Paleolithic and Mesolithic civilizations, they do not show much interest in agricultural field. Okay. So people also came to know about various activities in this civilization. They became food producers because agriculture came into existence. New technology has started in the farming culture. So people also became food producers. Before they used to go for food gathering in Paleolithic and Mesolithic civilization. But here in Neolithic civilization, they themselves became food producers. They used to cultivate ragi, gram and other variety of crops. Okay. Then after that, hunting, food gathering, agriculture, domestication of animals were the main occupations of Neolithic age. Hunting, food gathering, domestication of animals, agriculture were the main occupation of Neolithic civilization. So man used to go out for earning money and women used to stay at home looking after household activities. So social life. Their social life, they also got the idea of forming societies. They wanted to mingle with other people for discussing about various issues. So they started wearing clothes. Before, in other civilizations like Paleolithic and Mesolithic civilization, they used to wear skin of animals and leaves of trees as clothes. But here they started wearing clothes. Weaving came into existence. With different variety of threads, people used to stitch the clothes and used to wear. So they started to live in houses. So shelter, if we speak about the shelter, they started to live in houses. Before, they used to live in caves and huts, but now they started to live in houses. All these houses were constructed with red mud and bricks. So their economic life was also improved during this period. Okay, because as agriculture has improved a lot, so they themselves became producers. So their economic life was also improved to a great extent. As agriculture improved, their economic life was also improved to a great extent. So next, by seeing their painting, art, we can understand the social and economic life of Neolithic civilization. So pottery making also came into existence during this period. So they felt that it is very much essential. So pottery making came into existence during this period. This pottery making has great importance because before Paleolithic and Mesolithic civilization, people do not have the opportunity to cook food and store food. So this pottery making has led to cooking of food and storage of food. So pottery making helped them to cook the food and it also helped them to store the food. These pots were very durable. They were made of with strong mud. So pottery making was also started to store food in this civilization. So this Neolithic civilization, we can take examples of Kashmiri culture. So this Neolithic civilization can be compared to the Kashmiri culture. The Neolithic sites, the very important Neolithic sites are Brahmagiri and Narsipur. The most important Neolithic sites are Brahmagiri and Narsipur. People are cattle herds, goats and sheep they used to domesticate.
No. Huh?
They used to build in they used to live in houses. The houses were constructed with red mud. They are very much advanced people. They are very much advanced people. So they cultivated various variety of crops like ragi and other crops. Necessity by the mother of invention. As there was a necessity for invention and implementation of various metals, it was a necessity by the mother of inventions. The tools and weapons made of stones. All the tools and weapons were made of stones. They used to live near hill areas. All these people they used to live near hill areas because if they live near hill areas, it is very easy for them to find stones for making tools and weapons. So this was the last stage of Old Stone Age. This Neolithic civilization was the last stage of Old Stone Age. Wheel making also came into existence. So which led to exports and imports easy. So wheel making also made for consumption and production easier. So exports and imports also became easy, and it also became easy for the people to travel from one place to another. So already I told you that it is a transitional period between Mesolithic and Chalcolithic civilization. So people started living in one place. There is no necessity, not necessary to move from one place to another in search of food, because they got the idea of agriculture, how to cultivate the land. So after Neolithic civilization, we have Chalcolithic civilization. It is just like Copper Age. It was also known as Copper Age. So few points I am going to explain you here about Chalcolithic age. In the next session, when we meet again, I will explain you in a detailed way about Chalcolithic civilization. So Chalcolithic culture and background, its characteristic features. The beginning of Chalcolithic age after the end of Neolithic age. So after the end of Neolithic civilization, the Chalcolithic civilization has come into existence. Charcoal means, what is meant by charcoal? Charcoal means copper. Lithic means stone. So it was Chalcolithic age was also known as Copper Stone Age. So it was also known as Copper Stone Age. So Chalcolithic civilization came into existence around 2000 BC. It was seen in pre and post historic periods. So this Chalcolithic civilization was seen in prehistoric period, post historic period of Harappan period. It came into existence in 2000 BC, and it was a completely rural, and there was no urbanization. People used to live near riverside lakes for the cultivation of crops. It was a combination of two words, charcoal, lithic. So it was derived from Greek word. So it was also known as Copper Age. So it was a transitional period between Neolithic age and Bronze Age. So this Chalcolithic civilization was a transitional period. So this is what I told you about Chalcolithic age. In the later session, we will discuss regarding this particular topic about Chalcolithic age in a detailed way, about its characteristic features and background. Okay? Until then, goodbye. See you.